Unveiling the secrets, building self-discipline. We will explore the secrets of building self-discipline and effective strategies to develop this valuable trait. Cultivating self-discipline is crucial for achieving long-term goals and personal growth. Let's delve into the following key principles. 1. Surrender control. 2. Simplify routines. 3. Personal discovery. 4. Positive reinforcement. 5. Maintain high standards. 6. Expect and overcome resistance. 7. Remove temptations. 8. Embrace flexible evolution. 1. Surrender control. Embrace surrendering control by creating a detailed, long-term plan. This reduces impulsive decisions and keeps you focused on your objective, helping you resist distractions and unnecessary detours. 2. Simplify routines. Develop disciplined habits by focusing on a few essential routines and achievable goals. Start with simple and sustainable habits, as consistency is key to building self-discipline. 3. Personal discovery. Understand your unique attributes and tailored strategies to suit your individual lifestyle. Explore your hobbies, learning styles, and daily schedule to identify optimal productivity times and environments. Self-experimentation and patience are crucial for unlocking lasting self-discipline. 4. Positive reinforcement. Motivate yourself by using positive reinforcement. Reward yourself with small incentives when you accomplish meaningful tasks or goals. This encourages repetition of positive behaviors, especially during moments of weakness. 5. Maintain high standards. Set personal or professional standards to guide your actions and drive progress. Establishing non-negotiable expectations for yourself instills motivation and confidence, fostering self-discipline. 6. Expect and overcome resistance. Anticipate and prepare for challenges, such as procrastination, excuses, and a lack of motivation. Create backup plans and countermeasures to combat these obstacles and stay on track. 7. Remove temptations. Create distraction-free environments by removing temptations and time wasters. Avoiding challenging decisions conserves willpower, allowing you to focus your energy on productive work and activities. 8. Embrace flexible evolution. Adapt your routines as your lifestyle changes. Stay open to new challenges, experiences, and personal growth. Embracing change ensures that your routines remain relevant and aligned with your evolving priorities. Incorporating these secrets into your life will help you develop self-discipline and endure the journey towards personal transformation. By surrendering control, simplifying routines, engaging in personal discovery, employing positive reinforcement, maintaining high standards, expecting resistance, removing temptations, and embracing flexible evolution, you will unlock the power of self-discipline and shape the life you desire.